I'm gonna take off this dollar store sticker of my book because I don't want my classmates to know that I bought this at dollar store. I'm joking, I don't care. You think I care if what anybody think about me? You could think what you want to think about me. I could care less. Because at the end of the day, if you think about everybody's opinion and everything that everybody have to say about you, you go mad. You go crazy thinking about people's opinions. So you do you and do what you think is best for you. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Nayoka, and today I'm just giving you a day in my life. I was not going to post a video today, but you know, I thought about it and I said I'm gonna be committed to posting every single Sunday, and that is what I am going to do. I'm not gonna slack out. I'm not gonna let demotivation take me over, and yeah, that's why you guys are getting this video today. Okay, even if I get 10 views, 20 views, 30 views, it doesn't matter, as long as I stay committed to what I said I'm going to do. All right, so welcome to the beginning of the video. I had to do everything else before I talk to you. I gotta get my mouth fresh before I start talking to you guys. I am gonna hit the shower right now, and then I'll see you guys when I get out. All right, yeah. So I just finished taking a beautiful shower. It was so nice, refreshing early in the morning. Now I have a few spots on my face. My face is dry because I am gonna moisturize it right now, but I have these red pimples because I was picking these blackheads earlier. I hope I got them, but most of them I got. But guys, you see the condition of my skin? It's not pretty. It's not beautiful at all. See, my back is even still dry. I tried moisturizing my back, but my hand can't go, my hand can't really go that far. So it is what it is. So I tried. I really tried. So yeah, I went to the dermatologist a few months ago. They gave me a cream to use, and believe you me, I used the cream, and you see all these spots on my face. The cream that they prescribed for me was what broke out all these extra pimples on my face. Maybe, yeah, these extra pimples, that's what the cream caused. So I was using it for maybe 2-3 months, and I realized that my skin is getting worse. So I'm like, you know what, let me just leave it alone, because even this part of my skin was so much better, but before I started using the cream. So I said, you know what, sometimes when you go to the doctor or dermatologist, they're human beings like us. They make mistakes. They might not trust their judgment, right? I don't know, but I decided to just stop using it because it was not working for me. So my skin has been like this for many years, and it's like I'm used to it right now. So it doesn't really, yeah, I don't really care anymore about that. And since I stopped using that cream, my face got a little bit better. I mean, you might be looking at it now and saying, oh, it doesn't look good, but believe me, it was worse than this. Got a blackhead right here. Ooh! I'm gonna just leave it alone. So yeah, let me moisturize my face while I chat to you guys. So this is just water to get my face all nice and moist. And then I go with my, I cannot pronounce this word, hyaluronic acid. My hyaluronic acid. That's what I'm putting on my face right now. Oh, my sister made this for me. So I'm just using these. This is what, this works for my face. It doesn't give me any breakouts. And this is what is even helping my face to come back from that awful experience that I had. So she said, do not let it touch my face. Just drip it. And this is just to like keep all the moisture in. It feels so nice. As the new year is approaching, I know we all had some experiences this year. For me personally, I had a very teachable year. Let me use that word, teachable. I learned a lot in 2024. I've been through a lot in 2024. I would say 2024 is one of the worst years of my life, but I can look back and say it's one of the best years too, because if I didn't go through these awful experiences in this year, then I wouldn't be strong enough now and bold enough to come and say that I've learned a lot, right? So because of those experiences, I learned a lot, and now going into 2025, I can learn from those same mistakes and know that, you know what, this thing cannot happen to me again, because I've been through it already and I know what to look for before it even happened. Because, you know, prevention is better than cure, right? Yeah. So yeah, I learned a lot in 2024. Like, I got so many betrayals, so many backstabbing, so many awful stuff, so many money that I didn't receive that I worked for. And you know, I just look at it and I say it's a learning experience, and I move forward past that and I try to better my life. That's all we have to do. So I know we all have something going on in our lives, whether it be big or small, but still, you know, we can't let that hold us down. We have to keep it pushing. We have to keep it moving forward. And that's the reason why I'm doing this video today, because I woke up, I was not in the mood. I haven't been in the mood for the past few days, right? So Christmas for me was very hectic. I had family members coming over, my brother visited, my niece visited, so many things happening in the house. So I was kind of busy. I didn't even get a chance to even take up my phone to vlog. And not everybody likes to be on camera. That's the thing about my family. They're kind of like iffy when it comes to the camera. So you know how you would have that nice little Christmas vlog and all the family members are there, you know, saying Merry Christmas and all of that. Yeah, I can't do that because my people, they don't really like social media like that. Most of them don't even have a Facebook page. So yeah, that's the people who I'm dealing with. I think I'm the person in the family who's more outspoken. I would be more straightforward. So I feel like people don't really gravitate to me much, and maybe that's why I don't have many friends, because I can't be fake. If you ask me a question, I'll tell you my opinion. It doesn't matter if you're gonna feel bad or not. But if you ask me something, I feel like I should respond in the purest or in the most honest way that I can. Maybe the delivery is not the best delivery, but I can try my best to deliver it so that you don't feel bad. But if I can't, then I don't want to be lying to anybody. And you know, funny enough, on camera when I'm doing YouTube, I am this nice, friendly, smiley, but it's like when I'm alone, like when I'm home around people, I'm not like this. I'm not this bubbly all the time. Sometimes I'm like, I don't really like people. Yeah, I don't have any friends. You guys already know that. You people who watch my channel and comment, you guys are my friends. Yeah. So anyway, so today's gonna be, I don't really have much to do today. It's a Saturday, you know, not going anywhere today. I'm just chilling, and I decided that I wanted to show you guys what I got already for school, because school is literally right around the corner. I am excited. To be honest, I was a person who never liked going to school. I'd never liked school. I don't like school. Growing up, going to high school, I never liked school at all. I don't want to go to school because, like, why? You know? And then, you know, in your teenage days, you're like, oh, you have to wake up early in the morning to go to school, blah, 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 blah. But anyway, I'm excited. School is starting. I'm mostly excited because this is something that I'm very passionate about. I tried, you know, baking on my own, trying out recipes and or that I find online, and trying my thing, you know, because this is something that I see myself doing in the future for a long time, and I am happy with it. So I'm pretty excited to start school, and I'm also pretty excited to bring you guys on that journey with me. Now, I went to Staples and I bought some books because I know I'm gonna need like notebooks and stuff like that. Guys, the prices are ridiculous. I should have just went to dollar store and pick up like a bunch of books and just use that money at the dollar store. But anyway, I went to Staples, I bought some books. I was not going to buy a school bag, but wait, let me show you what my plan was. But now I feel like I have to go and get a bag for school, because this bag, I don't know if it can fit my stuff. But one second. So guys, I'm in Staples right now. I'm in the book section, and I wanted to get like these 5-star books. These 5-star books, because they have like 2 subjects, 3 subjects. So I wanted to get these 5-star books because they have like, let me turn around the camera. So you see these ones? I like the 3 subjects, so I can just bring one book, you know what I mean? Oh, see one mixed color here, but it's a 1 subject, $15. I could get one of these too. So guys, I wanted to get these type of books because they have, you see the grid, the section here, I like that, so it doesn't like rip so fast. So I'm gonna get one of this. This is a 1 subject. Woo. And then, you know, you have the little thing here. But guys, these books are expensive. $15 for one. Here it looks like it's gonna be ripped easily, right? And I can't spend so much money on a book that's gonna mess up before the semester ends. So I'm gonna take this one with the plastic cover. So for now, I think I'm just gonna buy this one subject one and a 3 subject. Yeah, for now, I can work with this. Yeah, and next time I can maybe come back. But they should do it for now. They look at expensive. Jesus. This is like $40 already. Just on books. Guys, to be honest, if I went to dollar store with this money that I used to buy these 2 books, I could have gotten like maybe 10 to 15 dollar store books. But it's okay. I like them, and believe me, these books can last me for the rest of the year, to be honest, or even for the rest of the program. And then I got this book at the dollar store, so I paid $4.25, and this is 5 1 2 3 4 5. I think I can do 5 different subjects in this book, so I believe that 3 books can last me. What do you guys think? These 3 books. But if you see what the dollar store book now, the edges, it looks like it's about to come off already, and I haven't started using it yet. Now, if I was using these books only, I could have just, oh god, I thought it would have fit. I didn't try it. I tried the bigger ones, but I didn't try this. Look, my bag is definitely small, guys. I definitely need a bag for school. I didn't want to buy anymore because the money, but I gotta go get a school bag before January. Maybe I'll just go get it today. You'll see in the rest of the video if I'm gonna actually get it today. So yeah, guys, the bag is not gonna work out for me at all. I gotta go get a new bag and get a new bag ASAP. Oh, my sweet little bag. I love this bag, you know. And hey, if I had to tell you about the story how I bought this bag, yeah, that's a story for another day. Just know that I was very reluctant on buying it because of the price. Yes. But yeah, guys, this is such a bummer. But anyway, I got most of my stuff for school already. I bought some clothes because, you know, it's winter time, so I am going to need clothes for school. Guys, I have so much clothes. Sometimes I see a piece of clothing, I'm like, when did I buy this again? But I have a lot of clothes, but I feel like I have mostly summer clothes. Winter clothes, maybe not that much. Or maybe I like a certain leggings or a certain sweatpants, and I wear it like almost every day, and then I lose it because it gets so old because I'm wearing it often. So I went to Forever 21 and I got some cute little leggings. Guys, I would have shown you guys, but boy, that's gonna be for another video. I got some leggings, I got some tops that I will be wearing to school. I won't be going to school 5 days a week. I think I'm gonna just go to school for maybe 4 days or something like that. I don't remember. I have my schedule, but I really don't remember because I set it like a month ago. So it's a long time ago. I don't remember. But yeah, I'm excited to start school. And when I start, I will be vlogging every now and then. I don't want to put my expectation, I don't want to set my expectation for you guys too much and then I don't keep up with it, because I know how I am. I am the type of person, I can feel bubbly today and I do an awesome video for you guys, but then tomorrow I'm so down, things are not going right, and it's like I'm not motivated. But you know, sometimes you have to be self-motivated and, you know, just try to get up even though you're not feeling it. So one thing I gotta do is get a school bag. I already have books, I already have a lot of pens, I already have so many things because I went to school a few years ago, so I have all those things that I used before, so I don't necessarily have to buy too many things, so you know, that's a plus. Yeah, so right now I am going to think about if I am going to go on the road to get the bag. Also, I haven't eaten all day, so I am going to go head to the kitchen right now. I have a few things that I have to do in the kitchen, and I want to go fry an egg and bread right now. So let's go to the kitchen. So first things first, I am going to get something to eat. I did some baking over the Christmas. I did some cheesecake and I forgot all these stuff in here. Let me just put back these eggs in where they belong. And I'll just keep these two for me now. Oh shit. The egg is oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this this egg is literally frozen. That's crazy. I can't believe that this egg is frozen. I've never seen this in my life. I've never seen this in my entire life. Just look at it. Solid as a rock. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Ooh. And believe you, this was not in the freezer, this was in the fridge. Okay? And it's frozen like that. Never experienced that in my life. Welcome to Canada. It's so cold outside that your fridge is doing stuff that it's not supposed to do. Anyway guys, back to the video. Let me see if this one is frozen also. No, this one is normal. Okay, so breakfast is ready. Yes, I know that it's just egg, literally egg and bread. Jamaican people love that. And then I got some apple juice. So yeah, let me take a bite. Only thing I would add is just a little bit more Tabasco sauce.
How old are you? 25. 25, okay. And what do you do?
I own a barbershop and a tax preparation business in Vegas.
Okay, nice. Now, what are some things that you do for fun?
Worked out. Recently got into snowboarding last year.
Oh, wow.
That type of stuff.
Okay. And now, what are some things to look for in a woman?
Somebody good, faithful, beautiful. Obviously, we didn't shy.
No complaints here, huh? No complaints. Okay, and now, what are some of your deal breakers?
Multiple children by multiple men.
Okay.
Somebody who I can't laugh with and have fun with.
Okay. Cool. All right, so we did get a few pop balloons. Let's go on over there, see why they ended up popping. Let's start over here. We can start with your name and age.
I'm Tiana, I'm 23.
And Tiana, what do you do?
I am a nurse extern, so I will be graduating on December 12th to be an RN.
Congratulations. All right. So
I wonder if I should go on this show.
He said a deal breaker for him.
How do you guys think?
Children with multiple fathers, and I have two, but two. Yeah.
All right. Now, prior to him saying that you did have your balloon unpopped,
I'm 28.
Jordan, what do you do?
I'm a registered nurse.
Look at these nurses. Okay. All right. So why did you end up popping your balloon?
Because I have two kids and two babies.
Now, before he said that, why was your balloon unpopped?
I'm fine.
Now, is she someone that's your type?
She fine.
Thank you.
And then we did have one more down over here. All right. Let's start with your name and age.
My name is Finesse. I'm 26.
Finesse, what do you do?
I'm a warehouse supervisor and I own a chocolate covered strawberry restaurant.
Right. So why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I popped my balloon because you are very fine down to the ankles.
I do what I can.
It's a pet peeve of mine when men wear pants that don't cover their ankles.
So that was our pop. Got it.
Nothing is wrong with the guys